At 38 weeks pregnant, we went to a trip from Madrid to what I want to call one of my favorite places on earth, the south of Spain, La Costa del Sol, Andalucia, Malaga, or Marbella, and it's indeed bella. My husband and family lived here for a few years, so I got to go to amazing spots and I need to share it all with you. So let's jump into our travel guide. We traveled by car from Madrid. It was an enjoyable 6-hour drive south, but the train is a better option. It's only 2 hours and a half or 45 minutes, and depending on when you go, you can find tickets as cheap as 20 euros. Traveling by plane is another cheap and quick option. But know that the train and plane will take you to the city of Malaga. Malaga is a port city and the capital of the province of Malaga in the autonomous community of Andalucia. In case you didn't know, Pablo Picasso was born here. Warning, there are some areas in Malaga that to me look ugly. I did not have time to visit the pretty parts, but Andalusians swear it's worth visiting. Malaga is a super hot city full of life, parties, Spanish culture, museums, and delicious seafood. However, today my goal is to show you places I think are beautiful, like Marbella, Puerto Banus, and San Pedro de Alcántara. To get to Marbella, you need to get on a car from Malaga, which is a 45-minute drive, maybe more with traffic. You can also take the bus Avanza L315 Estepona Express. This service is ran by Avanza Bus and the tickets should be around 8 euros, and again, it's going to be around 45 minutes to get there. Alright, so on day one, I recommend you visit Marbella Old Town. This is a super cute little town from the Renaissance era. This town used to be an old Medina with Arabic infrastructure and narrow streets. It wasn't until 1485 when the city went through major changes as the Catholic monarchs took over the city. They made sure to outrun the Arab culture style and created more Spanish-looking areas like Plaza de los Naranjos. Today, Plaza de los Naranjos is a must-see in Marbella. It's this beautiful square full of orange trees, restaurants, boutiques, and alleys that will transport you to another era. Make sure to shop, eat, and enjoy. Pro tip, this area can also be cool at night, but maybe only in the summer. It's definitely more quiet now in the spring, so make sure that you come here in the morning or for lunchtime. Next, walk from the old town to Avenida del Mar, which is lined with several sculptures by Salvador Dali. This walk will take you to the beach and consecutively to the Paseo Marítimo of Marbella. Bring your swimsuit or enjoy a nice ocean breeze walk. Places to eat at. Casablanca. If you're casual and quick, I recommend Casablanca. Here you can eat the best variety of fried fish you could ever find. 100% recommend it. If you go, please order fried bocarones. If you want a more elegant atmosphere with super fresh seafood and affordable prices, go to Los Mellizos. It should be a 15-minute walk from the start of Avenida del Mar, and I had a great experience here. Must do. Other fancier options that I honestly recommend for nighttime include CAPPUCCINO. Take a taxi to the Hotel Gran Meliá Don Pepe. Enter and get to the pool area. Enjoy the beautiful view with epic vegetation, and then go downstairs to CAPPUCCINO. Alright, so we are in Paseo Marítimo de Marbella and we're going to eat in some restaurant inside Gran Meliá Marbella. Absolutely recommend. I would say better than Bali. I did not try the food here, but it's the perfect ambience to watch the sunset with a drink. Another spot is Puente Romano, another beach resort full of high-energy restaurants and party. They have a Thai restaurant that looks amazing, Italian food, Japanese, Spanish, and super fancy places like Bibo by Danny Garcia. We chose Lebanese. The place is called Le Jardin du Liban. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but the experience in food was amazing. I recommend it. So, if I were you, on day one, I would head to Marbella Old Town, stroll around and get a beer with an appetizer. Then I would head to Avenida del Mar, walk to La Marina to have lunch at Los Mellizos, then enjoy the ocean breeze, and then even go in the water for a little bit. Head to your hotel, rest and change, head to CAPPUCCINO for a drink and sunset, dinner somewhere in Puerto Romano, and then party. Day 2, explore Puerto Banus. We were lucky to stay at Marina Puerto Banus, which is one of the hottest and most touristy spots in the area of Marbella. You can't miss this place. It's especially fun in the late afternoon before sunset and at night. But if you happen to rent a car, which I think it will make your experience much better here, head to NUEVA, Andalucia, where you will find the most beautiful houses in the mountains, epic golf courts like Club Aloha, Los Naranjos Golf Club, and you will feel like in Beverly Hills, but maybe more peaceful. There are also several restaurants and cafes in this neighborhood with great ratings. For example, Beatty Marbella, Magna Cafe, Breathe, Paisana. I've heard nothing but good things about these places, so you must try one of them. Something else you can do is go to Now Pool Club. It's pretty expensive, but very Instagrammable. There's also a casino in the area, a mall called Centro Comercial Centro Plaza, and a flea market that happens on Saturdays. And talking about shopping, if you're into shopping, I absolutely recommend El Corte Inglés in this area. It's one of the prettiest ones I've ever seen in Spain. If you're more adventurous, I recommend you go for a boat tour and dolphin sightings. I'm going to put a recommended tour down below with a good price, or you can also go on a catamaran trip if you are with a group of people. I also have a tour that looks very fun. After your morning adventures in Puerto Banus, get a nice outfit on and head to Puerto Banus Marina. Walk the whole marina, enjoy the vibe, the expensive cars, the huge boats, expensive stores, then head to Astral for drinks. I had an amazing time at Astral, which is a bar that's inside a boat and it has beach views. This is perfect for a pre-game before sunset. Then pick a restaurant for dinner in the area. We went to Pizzeria Picasso and had a blast. Make sure to come early though, because the line gets crazy. You can't make reservations, you must make the line. And yes, this is because the food and service is great. Have fun. Right behind Puerto Banus Marina, there is a red district, kind of. So if you're into ladies clubs, you can have fun over there. Day 3, chill day at the beach. There are several popular beaches that you can head to for your beach day. There's one in Puerto Banus, there's Nagueles Beach, Fontanilla, Bajadilla, which looks very nice, Guadalmina, but I think my favorite one will be Playa de San Pedro Alcántara. I almost don't want to give this spot away because I think it's very low-key. I want it for myself. In here you won't find many tourists. It may be less desirable for tourists actually because there's less to do. But if you have a family, kids, or you want to relax, this place is the place to be. I would spend the whole day here and eat at one of the amazing restaurants this neighborhood has to offer. Marisqueria Nuevo Reino and Albadero Beach Club are my favorite ones. You can't go wrong with them. There's also San Pedro Old Town, which is not as pretty as Marbella Old Town, but it's worth seeing, it's fun, and there are good places to eat over there. Alternatives for this day include a private day trip to Ronda from Marbella. We could not go, but my husband's family say this place is worth seeing. It looks spectacular, and I would put the best tour down below in the description. You can also go on a hike. There are many hike opportunities in the area. And finally, the other most popular thing to do is to go on a tour to Gibraltar. The tour can be pricey, but it's going to be a lot of fun. You will see monkeys, mosques, tunnels, epic sceneries, and you will be strolling on a British island in between Spain and Africa. How cool is that? To me, Marbella feels like an endless romantic summer. I think that from all of the places I've visited in the last 3 years traveling, this is where I would like to live. If you're looking for a place with the bluest skies, impressive vegetation, fresh food, fun, and sandy beaches, Marbella is your spot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon in another video.